Hello and welcome to How You Can Do It Too. In this episode I'm going to be shooting a Walther P22 without a suppressor, and then 5 rounds without a suppressor, 5 rounds with my Spectre II Suppressor. I will be shooting the Aguila SSS Sniper Subsonic. And it cycles well through it, so let's just cut to the chase, and I'm going to fire off 5 rounds without it, and then I'll put the Spectre II Suppressor on it. Okay, now here we go with the Spectre II Suppressor. Wow, what a difference. What a difference. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that. Have a good day.